Welcome back to another bathroom video, and in this video we are going to be showing you how we install the bathtub and the curtains and everything so we can shower temporarily. But before that, we're going to show you a shopping haul that we did of all the things that we will need for renovation, and then we're going to explain you our story of showering all summer outside.
So we came from the store and I'll give you a very quick shopping haul of what we got. First things first, we got a Millie. First of all, we got siphons. This one is for the bathtub, an extension one, and this one is for the sink. Then we got a lot of miscellaneous pipes to try to figure out, to kind of re-pipe what is there already. So we are sure that it's not leaking, and these ones are pretty cheap, so that's why we got a lot of them just to figure out the angles and everything. Then we got white paint. We were there at the toning place for 15 minutes and then decided to just leave it and go with white paint this time, which is specific bathroom paint, and we want to go proper, and also got the grunt, the primer for the paint, because we do have dark green walls, and he suggested to put this one first and then the white paint. Then we got these foamy pipes for condensation, more pipes, more pipes. Then we got this tool and a sponge for the grout, for the tiles. And speaking of tiles, we got 3 packs of white tiles, 1 pack of wood tiles. You will see once we start tiling. Gonna need David's help for that, so we can sure that we bring them in. And then we got also a box of miscellaneous little things for the bathroom, a filter and a paintbrush, paint roller. Then we got the grout thing and tile glue. Oh, it's hot. So let's get everything inside and start building. Don't know which part of the video this goes, but I decided just to do a quick shopping haul. There's nothing better than a beautiful outside shower at 12 o'clock.
Turn on the water.
Turn on the water.
Go a bit more in the middle.
Which is the middle?
No, more, yeah. Okay, on 5%. 3, 2, 1. Off. I'm ready for water. Turn on. Oh, this one is hot. Oh, this one is hot.
Yeah.
This is the way I shower.
The can is bending.
You know, usually I can turn it lower, but
Now it's not going lower. Do you think we're gonna do this again? Well, we did not only do it once again, but for 3 months straight, all summer long. This was our first shower location. We decided to shower at the other side of the house, more private. Plus, we were super close to our bedroom window, so we could jump in and out nakedly and also bring the water in and out. And in case you're wondering how we were showering with water cans that we were filling up. We still had hot water, so we filled up those from the kitchen tap, brought them out. We always had 2 cans for each of us, so that was 20 liters of warm water. And we're gonna demonstrate how we did it, because we don't want to bring the shower down here. So we had the shower bottom and then a ladder, and then we had pretty much one person standing showering and then the other one watering with a water can on top. I'm gonna put a photo here of how it looked, of course, in summer. Now it's winter, and then it kind of got too cold, so we had to have a plan B. And once it started getting colder and a lot of rainy days, and we were working till late in the evening, we decided to use our greenhouse as our shower. So we moved the shower bottom over here, made sure that it's standing nice and solid. So one of us was standing. It was always showering, as I said, 2 people job, and the other one was on the ladder, and that's how we showered. Really annoying in the greenhouse. It was quite annoying because you could not really hold it that well. Someone had to squat down because we don't have so much space. And yeah, around October, it just got too cold. We had -5 degrees in the night some days in October. So we said 1st of October, we have to make the bathtub work. And that's where we are at now.
So on October 1st, we decided finally to set up the bathtub since we could not bear to shower outside anymore. And we actually decided to buy legs, metal proper bathtub legs, instead of making our own frame to attach the bathtub on. And this means that we probably could have set this up a long time before or in summer. It's just we didn't have time and we thought it was gonna take a lot more effort, so we kind of delayed it.
Is that a bitty? Oh, very good. Whoa, a bitty. Whoa, wait, is that metal?
Everything's metal.
Wow.
It's pretty premium.
Didn't cost really premium.
Hmm.
Which is surprising that it is premium.
Okay. This ain't easy. Okay.
Maybe you're not supposed to put it down on the legs and then do it. You're about to stick it all together.
Oh.
We had.
Hold up?
Yes!
Oh, we don't need to wash it?
I mean, we'll get washed once we take a shower.
No, but it's quite filthy. It's been sitting for a while.
Yeah, of course. That's why we never took the film off.
That's gonna make our life easy if the film comes off nicely.
It should. If it wouldn't jiggle like crazy.
This is do.
Poop in the back. I think they want to go good night.
Yes. Good night, good night, good night, good night, good night.
Really excited to have a shower.
Oh, I don't know. This
After-
phone is taking a while.
After 3 months of water conning.
Yeah, baby. Sit now. What do you think? Which way is actually our sewage system? I think it's this way.
You see? Woman's smart. Men don't. You're filming this position, so no one could see us. That's no one could see us messing around, so it's okay. You have the corner there? Yeah, wait. I'm not wearing gloves. Wait a second. Okay, go. I'm part of the bathtub, I think. Okay, go on. Wait, that's the level in there. Look at this on you with your dirty gloves. That's silicone, though. That doesn't come off ever. Lift it up. Wait, I need to get the level. Oh, where's the level still there? This was leveling it. Ow. Wow, ow. This is big. 1 year later. Maybe, baby. We'll have bathtub. It's actually already kind of in the air. Why is it supposed to be in the air? No.
So it is 9 o'clock and we are currently in our bathtub. And
Bathroom. Not in the bathtub
yet, yes. I'm very tired and we have set up at the bathtub. It looks all nice and gorgeous, work in progress. So outside
It
it's
is-
too cold to shower. So
Yeah.
we need to set up a temporary shower in here.
So, as you saw, we already have set up the bathtub, and now we have 2 curtains. This curtain is gonna be the main one that we're gonna be keeping, and this one is a cheap one. This one was a €4 curtain. So what we're gonna do, since it is too cold to shower outside, we are gonna set it up temporarily.
Yes, because of course we have no tiles, so we need curtain all around to protect all this wood framing and the walls.
The walls as well. So let's set it up. The reason why we decided to start talking is because we need to unbox this one.
Yes.
And my problem is, I don't know if I like it. Why did we go so dark?
That's gray. That's not the green that they show. It looked like a nice green.
This was expensive.
Okay, but we are keeping it until we get a glass as well. That we have to say.
Yes,
this is
but
also
what?
temporary.
That ain't green.
Oh, I hate the fabric. No, don't you dare scratching it. It's annoying.
What? Are they colorblind?
That ain't green. That is gray. There's some sort of mix-up. That's
wait,
gray.
Wait.
And that's also really small. I guess no, I did the cost for like 120.
Okay, can I say something? We paid for this one 14.
Yeah.
For this size, like it.
Okay, I hope the other one is less quality, and then I feel good about it.
Oh, wait, let's unbox the other one as well. Okay, let me unbox the other one. This is the cheap one, the €4 one. And guess what? It comes with hooks. A €4 curtain comes with hooks. And I must say, I think I like the quality of this one more.
This is rubber, no?
This is nice. Wait, what? We got scammed here. We
could have bought 2 of those instead.
Yes. Why did we thought we should go expensive? Look at it. Look at it.
Honestly, it's kind of nicer.
Look at it.
And twice the size.
That was €3. And this one, the luxury satin, whatever, was 15. That was a fail. And it's gray, not green.
Yeah, I like the green that they advertised. It's on the packaging, literally. And I think it says green, no?
No.
It kind of looks green.
It has this one. That's not blue green. Does that blue green?
Someone did the editing wrong because
like,
that ain't the color.
And this is bringing it back, is it?
No, you already opened it. And it's okay, we'll set it up. Do we put that in the back and the nicer one in the front?
So, you're telling me we are destroying the €15
No, actually, let's keep the €15 curtain
intact.
Yeah, because it can be still used, right? Once we have the tiles.
Yeah.
Okay, let's set it up then. You're doing it correct, right?
I don't know. Maybe. What?
I messed up. I was supposed to put this one through the hook already. Got it now?
I'm not getting anything. I said we should shower outside again. In the greenhouse.
This is fun.
It is not fun. I would be done now with my shower.
Yeah, but we do need to set this. Come on, it's getting really cold.
I guess.
Do you really, like, okay, today you'll survive. You'll survive a few more times?
Maybe.
Maybe not.
We've been surviving, so...
We have some other things that are prioritizing, that's why. This can be done.
It's like a puppet show.
Yes. I think that's what I was going for. Wait, I do 2 hooks. Wow, it's a lot of wood coming out. It's true. It's kind of barely long enough as well.
Wow. Why is it so tiny? What shower do you
Why is it
have?
not long enough as well? Like most
What?
high ceiling, no?
No, but when you buy a shower curtain, isn't it supposed to go all the way? Why does it cut off there?
This is like, yeah, I guess you buy 2 of these.
Why would you buy 2 of these? What is it, a theater curtain?
Rich.
Let me know in the comments, like, do you buy 2 curtains for your shower? Like, to open them like theater?
It is like a nice fabric, I must say.
It is, but it's an awful color.
Can I have a scissor?
So it's 2 different fabric. This is actually a fabric. And this is a plastic sheet.
That's why it is cheaper. The fabric is actually gonna last you really long.
Yeah, if it would be long enough.
I guess you could wear two. That's what I said. One on one side, one on the other side.
He's gonna be artistic. Wow.
You spray it on that? Oh, it stays to the wall if you just gotta.
Because it's a very expensive curtain.
Yep. Ah, expensive. Ooh, it kind of rains off.
Ooh.
So, it is actually February as you're watching this video. It's the same day as it's released. And we are still using this setup and we have not progressed much further. And this setup has been working really well from 1st of October till now. All these months we've been using it and it works really good. There's no water getting behind. Nothing gets damaged. Its wood is fully dry. Everything is working really fine. So we can already kind of predict how good it will be. And this wood here is doing really good. Everything's doing really good. Even all the moisture and everything is not affecting anything really badly. So that is a good plus. And also it's been great to shower like this, but we do need to progress and get it done. We were really busy and then we just took pretty much 2 months off just to relax and detox the whole giant work that we did all last year. And now we have to get back on the rails. We really are derailed of the work. We have to get back on it and get this thing done before March and spring is here, because then we need to get ourselves back outside and work on the outdoor projects, which is a lot, and the tiny house is waiting for us. So we gotta get this done pretty efficiently and fast. And the reason why we also haven't started really on it is because it's freezing cold outside. We have a really harsh winter, as you all know. Europe and North America has a really big winters, so we cannot really be working that efficiently, and we don't really feel like it because we have to go outside to cut a lot of material to bring it in here. But next video you'll see we will be starting to deal with the walls and start installing things. So hope you enjoyed this video and we're gonna see you in the next one. So we gotta force ourselves to get back on the work because you guys are missing out on the content otherwise. So yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.
Make sure to check my videos, then you can see how cold it is.
Yeah, Despina has a lot of videos on her channel. Check the link in the description, they're always there.
For all the frosty cold.
Yeah, bye bye.